the making of name tags. It's a big business because personalization is something which people like it and they want to do it. This is the result. And why I had to do it? Because someone did it at Bangalore. ये सी कि सर पूरा नाम नहीं आ सकता. I said okay चलो ऐसा कर दो. But see today when I was sitting यहाँ दिल्ली वाले उसने बोला हो जाएगा. This is what is the difference. दिल्ली है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है. It's raining heavily. Actually, I was caught in the mid of the rain when we were just taking a cup of tea, and then it started raining profusely. And then we thought, spend some time. And while talking, he said, "Sir, बैठो आधा घंटा वो बना लेंगे." I said, "Okay." Last time someone had refused. कि नहीं हाथों हाथ नहीं बनाएंगे. But this time he said कि नहीं just wait. मतलब बारिश है वैसे ही के ऊपर से गाड़ी थोड़ा दूर पड़ी है तो चलो बनवा लेते हैं. लग गए बना दिया. Like that in Delhi everything is possible. Now see this process from starting to handing over. This is the beginning. I just gave him the name and I told him that I want in two colors. First is in golden yellow, second one is in green. And this is the machine which is making. There's already some other order. So he has prepared, but this execution will start only once that other order is finished. So now he has started initiating mine one. And you see that how the laser guided machine first draws its boundary. You see, it will draw the boundary of the badge, and then the first arm it will start making the thick border, whatever is given in the command. You see, first the machine will make the border. First we earmark the area and then now the border is being executed. They do this frame by frame, and each frame depending upon the style can have 5 to 6 tags. Now this, alright, everybody is enjoying. He was telling us, sir, आप record कर रहे हैं. मैंने कहा नहीं, just for the appreciation of everybody other than me, if we can. Other day I was talking to someone and he was showing that he has a very big machine, and then he was asking for a double price. But if your machine is big, it doesn't mean that I will give you double. Now this machine is small, compact, and there many people are having in the market. You see that now border is almost finished, and you keep watching. Immediate after this, it will start writing the name in reverse order. Beauty. See that वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी, तो लंबी भी आधा घंटा 40 मिनट की थी. बीच में बंद करता रहा. But then you will get the full process. And see how fast writing, and very beautifully writing. One tag in gold. I think it's almost finished. This green to making it. We're mixing ball. One customer came. He said कि ऐसा ही बनाओ मेरा भी. तो चलता है. हाँ इधर भी ऐसे का मतलब ये है ऐसा ही मेरे नाम का बनाओ. मैंने कहा हाँ, ये ठीक है. ये आई थिंक धागा टूट गया था. And then when anything happens, machine stop, he gets an alert on his mobile. Now he has started the second one, which is in white color. And another beauty is that machine has got two threads, one from the bottom, another from the top. And in this case, you see the top thread is white. Okay, we are seeing that one. But the underneath the thread is golden yellow only. I asked him, लेकिन वो मशीन को खाली स्पोर्ट के लिए चाहिए, नोट्स बनाने के लिए. It will not be visible on the कमाल. Still there.
बारिश अच्छी है.
Something.
It was raining heavily. I think
टोटल 4 लोगों का है. 2 सोलह के और 2 सब. Good luck if you could provide me here. Excellent offer. White. I am turning in the bag. Why are you going for white?
finished embroidery करा.
Embroidery work. Now the alignment. The second bag.
कलाकारी है ये भी. ऑटोमेटिक नहीं है. हाँ
Another beauty is if the needle has to come back by chance, like Dhagatu, and in that process, if it starts executing, it will go only on that route which machine will be needing when it comes back to the needle. ये देखिए एक छोटा बहुत बढ़िया हो गया कंप्लीट। ये भी हो गया। Now after this is the process of cutting and twisting. हो गया, बहुत